Welcome back, Pure Structure Traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, give you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like the videos, make sure you guys smash that like button, and if you are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions, pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So you can see S&P 500 had a nice push to the upside today, reaching some of our higher areas of resistance, trying to get back into these 4160 to about 64s. That's the area, that's the zone of resistance up there. We peaked it prior, you can see, touched it there, and then came right back down. You can see we tried getting up into that area, but we stalled right around those 58 to 59s. So you can see those two little ellipses we had. Now we did get a nice bullish move and a wedge to the upside, but you can see stalling right at that 57 to 58. Nice resistance here. I do think this area here might end up bringing it down a little bit, coming right back down, maybe even to support, and then getting a continuation higher. For the London session, we did see the movement to the upside for that overnight, and then the US session we continue to grind to the upside again after some pullback. So I do think here we're going to see the market try to pull back into this area, and then from there maybe get a nice bounce to the upside. Let's take a look at the small. Okay, so pulling it up here, you can see, and actually we're gonna just delete some of this, but you can see what we had here. We had that nice 5-minute chart, you can see, and we do got support actually coming all the way down here, and we may bounce from these peaks, but again, we saw the market start to find that support right in this area of 44. So you might end up seeing S&P 500 trying to drop right back into this area, and then trying for the continuation higher from there. But we did highlight a little bit of a smaller order block area here, right between these 4152s to about 5375. Order block, just so you guys understand what that means, basically is where you see nice consolidation here. That's where we got our block out, meaning we should find some support coming in this area, maybe to bounce it back up. But ultimately, you know, even when we scroll or scale this down a little bit, we should see the market try to come back into this trend line, and then bounce, or maybe even lower, getting back down to the bottom and then bouncing. So keep that in mind. Now if we just break right back down, we'll see this higher chart. If we break right back down below these 44s and retest, this may end up leading for this market to come right back down to support of 4104 to about 4108, the next level down. So we may end up seeing that, but again, we'll have to break this nice bullish trend we see. So right now we're just kind of analyzing the pullbacks here. For those who like the short, again, can have a short right up against resistance 57 to 58 as of right now. Those are our horizontal levels. If you don't know how to plot those, feel free to join us at Pure Structure Trading. If you don't know what order blocks are, you can join us and we can teach you guys as well how we get our zones, how we get our levels, and how we analyze some trade ideas for the sessions we decide to trade. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500. Again, if you guys like the videos, make sure you guys smash that like button, and if you are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. If you trade for the London session, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. You guys have a great night. Take care. Bye.